Place a single panel and pre-cut U-channel on its side as shown, groove facing upwards. Insert the tongue of the second panel into the groove of the first as shown. Using a rubber mallet and with moderate force, hit the groove of the second panel. Insert your equal foot as shown. These should be placed in the same hole every other panel. Pre-cut U-channel is provided at 915 mm to sit between each support foot. Raise and position your first two panels and equal foot. Next, add another panel complete with equal foot. Using a rubber mallet and with moderate force, click the panel into place as shown. Add further floor U-channel and insert your next panel, this time without the equal foot as shown. Continue the process until the required number of panels are in place. On the final panel, cut a small section of U-channel, leaving a 45 mm gap from the groove. Install and secure your end U-channel, or if applicable, door frame, corner or internal wall trim. A single screw every metre is usually sufficient to secure the angle section and panels in place.